For a decade, the Nissan Rogue has been the quiet kid in the back of the class. It's always sold well, but it lived in the massive, boring shadow of the Toyota RAV4. And let's be real, it was haunted by the ghosts of CVT's past. But April 14th, 2026 changed the vibe. At Nissan Vision in Yokohama, the 2027 Rogue e-Power finally showed its face to North America. This isn't a facelift, it's a complete identity transplant. Here's the part everyone gets wrong, the powertrain. Most Americans know Carolo hybrids like the RAV4, where gas and juice play tug-of-war with your wheels. Nissan took a different route. Meet the Series hybrid, e-Power Generation 3. In this setup, that 5-liter VC turbo engine is socially distanced from your wheels. It never touches them. Instead, it's just a heavy-duty gas-swilling generator under your hood. The wheels? They're 100% driven by high-output electric motors. This fixes two major American headaches. First, the drive. You get that instant EV neck snap. No lag, no hunting for gears while merging onto a chaotic LA freeway. Second, range anxiety. You get the silent EV smoothness but keep your gas station habit. It's the perfect cheat code for apartment dwellers or anyone in states where charging infrastructure is still just a myth. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the CVT. American drivers have PTSD from old Nissan transmissions, but on the 2027 Rogue e-Power, Nissan did something brave. They deleted it. Since the motors drive the wheels through a simple reduction gear, the belts and pulleys are gone. No more rubber band droning, no more engine screaming while the car goes nowhere. It's linear, it's quiet, and it's Nissan's way of saying, we promise it won't break this time. The muscle behind this juice is the exclusive 5-liter VC turbo. It's a genius bit of kit that physically changes its compression ratio on the fly. Cruising to Starbucks, it hits a 14:1 ratio for max MPG. Floor it to pass a slow-moving Florida man, it drops to 8:1 to crank out massive power for the motors. It's an engine that thinks faster than its driver. And because North America is obsessed with AWD, we get E-Force. Forget heavy, slow mechanical shafts. This uses two independent motors that react 10,000 times per second. It's faster than your brain. Plus, it features pitch control. By using the rear motor to handle braking, the car stays flat. No nosediving at red lights, no motion sickness for your passengers. It's basically a $35,000 magic carpet. Nissan crammed all this tech into a 5-in-1 module. It's smaller, lighter, and surprisingly quiet. Cabin noise is down nearly 6 decibels because the engine only wakes up when road noise can drown it out, and you still get 74 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for a massive Costco run and then some. MSRP should land between $33,000 for the SV and $48,000 for the Platinum E-Force. Launching in late 2026, the Rogue e-Power isn't just selling a car, it's selling a solution. No CVT drama, no charging cables, just 100% electric thrills with a gas tank safety net. Nissan isn't just competing with Toyota anymore, they're trying to lap them. Out.